Hi everyone, welcome to Infinite Tarot Sciences. So today I'm gonna do journal reading for the sign of Scorpio, and the language of my video would be in English. And this would be a journal reading. This may or may not resonate with you all. So just take those messages which resonate with you and leave those messages which do not resonate with you. I'm going to do a journal reading. I'll also pull some cards for your recent past, your present, and for the future. That's the month of the November. Plus I'll also take one card in the end, which will be an advice card. And this is a journal reading. This may or may not resonate with for you all. If you want a specific reading, you can please reach out to me at the email ID given below. You can send a mail and book an appointment from me. So let's start with the journal reading. So let me see what are the Scorpios going to see in the month of November. So before that, I'll also take some cards in the recent past, that what were the situations in the recent past around you. Okay, so let me see what are the situations in the recent past around the Scorpio. I would first of all take all the cards in the recent past, present and future, and then I would do your reading. So let me take all the cards for your recent past and the future. So I have done the reading of Scorpio for the month of November 2020. Now as I can see in this reading, in the past, in the recent past, the Scorpios were like, thinking about making a decision, because um, it might be possible that they were, getting a opportunity to reconcile with someone, and because they were not able to decide, so they were like thinking a lot about that. And like they were also emotionally, like, little upset because of that, and they had a lot of unconscious fears in their mind, phobias in their mind, that whether they should reconcile or not, because you know the decision for them was not very easy. It might be a possibility that the person was sending them texts, or the person wanted to reconcile, but in the recent past they were just thinking about that, and they were not having the sufficient clarity. But Scorpio, the good news is that till in the present time, in your current energies, there is definitely a new beginning. Now for some of you, this new beginning can be in a new relationship, or it can be in a new project or in a job. But the best thing is, whatever new beginning is there, whatever new beginning is going to happen in your life, it is related to your soul purpose. It is something which is very deeply connected with your heart. Even if you are, getting married, or you are getting a love offer, definitely the person is your soulmate, and you must think about that positively. And also for majority of you, what I am thinking is, the clarity that you were lacking earlier, now you are going to get that clarity finally. And this is a good news for Scorpios, because till 1st of November, what I feel, you will get that clarity, and you will march forward, you will move forward in that direction. And because also this clarity will give you opportunity to listen to your heart. So my advice for Scorpio is, currently whatever opportunities you are getting, just listen to your heart, follow your intuition, what your heart is doing. Till 1st of November, your heart should be the driving force of your life, not the mind. Don't think from your brain, just think from your heart. And definitely you are going to meet your soulmate, or you are going to start something with which is your passion, with which your heart is connected very deeply. And for some of you, I can also see this is the beginning of a new career. And for some of you, it may be possible that you are starting a new project, and it may also be a possibility that some of you are going to start a new education. You are starting to learning a new thing, or you are thinking to learning a new thing which you have ever wanted to you, which is deeply connected to your heart. And Scorpios, in the month of November, as I can see, there are a lot of positive changes which are coming from for you in the month of November. The decisions that you were thinking to make in the recent past, finally you will be, you know you will be able to make that decision. You will be able to make that decision recently, and you will start marching yourself in that direction. And there is also a possibility that for those who are, who were getting chances of reconciliation, they will actually reconcile with the someone in the past. वो हो सकता है reconcile करेंगे. They will reconcile with the someone in the past. And mind it, this is not going to be a bad choice for them, because this will actually turn your destiny to a positive level. This will turn your destiny to a positive level. This will rotate the wheels of your destiny. You will have a wonderful environment at your home. You will, have a lot of prosperity. And if this is the beginning of your new career, if this is the beginning of some new project or business, then still I can see that you will be, working very hard for that, and you are gonna get what you actually deserve. You want that name and fame. And I can also see that some of you, it may also be possible that some of you are going thinking of starting something online, something on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter, anything, and which will, increase your popularity among the people. You may get a lot of name and fame from that. You may get prosperity from that. You may get money from that. And for some of you who are, thinking to move further in the relationships, they may get also married to the one which you are thinking, or you may also get a new love offer. And some of you may also think of reconciling with the someone in the past. For majority, what I am seeing is it may be possibility that you may reconcile with the someone in the past, and you will take that decision. And whatever you will do, the things will move very fast, Scorpio. Things will move very fast. Things will move so much fast that you will not understand what actually is happening. But obviously, things will not move as you planned. Things will not move as you planned, because it is a change. It's, like your fortune will change. It's a time of a change in the destiny. There will be a sudden shift, a sudden change, but of course that will be for your betterment only. And if I take the overall advice card, Scorpio, that is authority. So means you should, take a charge of your life. You should take a control of your life. You should start taking decisions by yourself rather than depending upon your family. And as I can see, you are already actually having lot of, power inside you, which you need to just feel. You just need to listen to your inner powers. You need to listen to your inner intuition, and move forward in life and take your further decisions. So that was a journal reading. It may resonate or it may not resonate with everyone, but for those who like my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon for further notifications. So that's all for the video of Scorpio. So hoping you to see in the next video for December 2020. I'll also be doing sub readings like in parts for the month of November. So if you want to watch my those videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And also do comment in the comment section below. All those who will be commenting in the section below, you also have a good chance of winning a free reading from me. So that's all for Scorpio. Bye bye. Take care.